Hello, lovely people. You are all welcome once again today to Fancy Kitchen. In today's recipe, we are going to make this simple spaghetti. And this is the very simple ingredients we are going to use for our spaghetti today. Like I said, it's so simple. I have some chopped tomatoes over here, my corned beef over here, my spaghetti in here, 2 habanero pepper. I have my onions here, 2 cloves of garlic and ginger. And I also have this over here. So you can use any spices of your choice. To start, I have some boiling hot water here. And I will add in some salt to taste. And I will also add in some oil. The oil helps your spaghetti from sticking together. I'm adding in my spaghetti. So just cook it according to the size of your family. You can break it or you can just leave it depending on how you want it. This is how our spaghetti is looking like. Just see. Our spaghetti is ready. I'm going to take it out and I will strain it. And I will add some cold water to also prevent from sticking together. So I'm adding in some cold water, like I said, to wash it. I'll add in my oil. Just feel free to use any type of oil you want. Add in my diced onion. I'm going to blend the pepper, the garlic, and the ginger with half of the onion together. The blended ingredients is going in. I just roughly blended it. I didn't blend it so smooth. At this point, my chopped tomatoes is going in. And just give it a very nice stir. I'll add in some rosemary, some spices. I'm adding in my corned beef. I added like about half to it. I didn't add everything. I'll be adding in some vegetables, some carrot, peas, and beans. So the rest of the veggies will come in later. At this point, I'm going to add in my spaghetti. Spaghetti with swag. It's looking so nice. So now our spaghetti is ready, guys. Just look at that. It looks so amazing, so beautiful. I hope you guys will give this a try for me as usual. Thank you all for trying my recipes. The feedback I've been getting from you guys is so amazing. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye bye.